Okay, welcome back. So we have done something meaningful on our index.html. So now we want to start with about.html. Don't forget, we have done our header. If you haven't done yours, please go back to see where we did it. So we just copied what we have under index.html header and put it here. So now, after our header, what's next? We want to declare a section. This is about us or about me, as the case may be. If you are running a personal brand like mine, whereby you use your name, so you can say about me. But if you are running a kind of company whereby you use a corporate name or something, a corporate name rather, so you can use about us, so whichever case. So now, what do we have under the section? So the first section, this is not new to you. We declare newsletter, just like how we did it under index.html. We give it a class name of container, then we say subscribe to our newsletter. Here then we declare our input for mail. Are you getting it now? So enter email and all of that, then submit. So our submit button, we use subscribe. So the same thing, as you can just copy it from index.html and paste it here. That is the first section. Then after this section, we move to the next section, which is where we're going to be talking about. So this section, we call it main, and I will give it an ID name of main, meaning that is the main point of that page. Then class of container, then our H1, we give it a class of page title, about us. So now under this, we're going to be having different paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph here. It's going to be on plain background, but this very one that we put dark is going to be on a colored background. That's another paragraph. So that one is going to be on a colored background. That is why I gave it the class name of dark. So this is going to guide us. So we want the background to be somehow dark. Then after that is that on other page. Then we go to our article. So our article now will be, it will be forming sorry, this is article. All these ones are other article. Under section, we declare a divider, then we declare an article. So all these are under article. Our paragraph, so this place, maybe the first paragraph that will talk about you, like, okay, this is a fashion company whereby, so we are fashion company, we do this for people, we do that and all of that, so we are this is also things. So you talk about your business. Then another paragraph to also continue talking about your business. But to make it beautiful, that is why we will be giving this one another background color. So that is that on article. So after that article, we want to create a kind of sidebar. Sidebar are those things, something like this that we have here. So we call them sidebar, whereby you have your web page and something by the side will be there containing another information. So this one now will talk about what we do. So what we do will now talk about your services, those things that you render, the services you render. That's what we're going to talk about. And that one too, we're going to be giving it a background. So we gave it a class of dark aside, because it's going to be at one side. It can be right, it can be left, but mostly it is usually at the right. So we give it a side and give it an ID name of sidebar. Divider, we give it a class name of dark. Then HTD, what we do. Then under the paragraph, you write what you do there. So that is that for this section. So do that, and let's quickly see what we have under the browser. Come in. So let's check what we have under the browser. Okay, it is loading. So this is what we have here. Subscribe to our newsletter, then about us, the first paragraph, the second paragraph, then what we do. So by the time you get to CSS, you realize how we're going to bring this one to this side, so that it won't be under here. It's going to look very nice, inshallah. All right, do this and let me see the submission group. See you in the next class. Bye.